Welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Hi YouTube, this is Betty and welcome back to my channel. I am here to share with you guys my projects for Die Hard Wednesday. Yes, I know it is Sunday, but Marquisha and I are having to work around our schedules. So just bear with us, you guys, and just go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our videos. So if you're not familiar with Die Hard Wednesday, Marquisha and I have been coming on every other Wednesday or every other week. And we share projects that we create using our metal dies. And I know that there are a lot of die lovers out there like myself and Marquisha. And so we also created a hashtag for this collab. I will leave it in the screen. We have been having so much fun pulling out our dies, some of them old, some of them new, and we have just been playing with them and enjoying all of these wonderful, wonderful dies. So if you would like to play along with us, you still have some time. Like I said, Marquisha and I have been here at the beginning of the year creating and using our dies, but you can still tag in on the fun. Just use the hashtag in your video, you know, in the description box of your video. You can also share a photo on Instagram. Just use the hashtag so that we can find your photo. So let's just go ahead and jump into things. I will have a link to Marquisha's YT channel for you guys to check her out as well today and see what fun and cute projects she has created. So I'm going to share with you the dies that I use for this install. Today I will be featuring this fun die by Scrapdiva Designs. This is the Ghost mini album die. I wanted to get some play in with this one before Halloween on tomorrow. And so this is what I'll be showcasing today. And then I just use my circle dies. Here is my first project share, you guys. Look at this adorable shirt that I made using Erica's fun little ghost die. So my daughter, you know, for school tomorrow, I wanted her to have a cute little Halloween shirt on. This turned out so cute. Oh my goodness, I love it. She loves it as well. And so what did I do? So let me explain to you how I created this shirt. So I just looked in my stash and pulled out some heat transfer vinyl that I had. And then I took the die and cut out the base die and all the pieces here that I needed in black. And then I ran it through my scanning cut. Yes, you guys, you heard it. That is another way that you can use these dies. Adjust the size for this die right here, but I kept this die the same. So this is a great size, especially for a young girl's or young boy's shirt. So I ran it in, and for the letters in my machine, I made sure to flip the letters so it can be right on the shirt. And then I have a heat press machine. I've had it for a long time and I don't use it often, but I use my heat press machine and just heat press the vinyl on the shirt. And I love, 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 love how it turned out. Like I said, the only adjusting I had to do as far as size, I wanted this, of course, to be just a tad bigger. And then I also did, I enlarged the bow a little bit in my machine. But that's it, you guys, and it turned out cute. I'm gonna share with you some photos of my little model in her shirt. So I'll put it in the screen. So you guys can see my daughter. She is so excited to have her cute little spooky little ghost shirt on, and she'll be rocking that tomorrow at school. And yeah, she really likes it, you guys, and I think it turned out amazing. So yeah, I wanted to add that that's another way to use Erica dies and create you a really cute and fun shirt. So you still have time if you want to pull that die out, if you have it in your stash and you want to create a fun t-shirt, you still have some time before tomorrow. So that'll be a fun project. It doesn't take a whole lot of time. This is my first project share. And here is project number 2. This project was completely inspired by Buzzing with V. She created some of these really cute and fun felt treat bags, and I thought it was adorable and a great idea to create some fun and cute little treat bags for my daughter's friends. Veronica has a tutorial. I will link it below for you guys to check it out, but I had to create these. They were just so adorable, and you gotta know my daughter. She is so girly, and you know, she's something else and fun. And I thought this would really be a cute idea to whip up some treat bags for her little girlfriends. So I created 3 for her friends and 1 for her. Let me just go through these real quick. So here's the first one in a light pink. And I didn't do all of the stitching that Veronica did, which was really cute. I don't know if the kids are gonna just throw these away after they get their treats inside. So I didn't wanna go through all of that, but I used vellum in the inside of my little window here. Veronica used, I think, a sheet protector. So I used vellum because I wanted a more softer look there. So this is what I came up with. The little ghost is holding her little trick-or-treat bag here. And I had a lot of these cutouts in the Pastel-a-Wing project that I shared. I had a lot of cutouts, and so it came in so handy. So I pulled that out. And I included a cute little ribbon here. And then I wanted to include a different treat in the inside. They're already gonna get a lot of candy and things like that. So I wanted to include something a little different. And what I went with was this right here. This is glazed Twinkies. So, you know, just a different little snack from all of the candy, which this is sweet too, but something a little different. And so that's what I put inside of there. Super cute. I love how it turned out. I stitched the vellum in the inside of the bag. I went with a pink thread. That's what I already had in my sewing machine, so I just went with that. But that's the first one. Here's the second one here, this really pretty teal color. And then I just included one of these cute little brooms in the little ghost hand here. And then this Halloween, this is also Erica Dye there. Her little Halloween scripty words. And you know, the same design, different color. And then here's the white one. Right here, this is Erica's die as well. This is another die. I can't remember. I'll also link my Pastel-a-Wing video so you guys can check out, you know, what the other dies are. I wanted to provide a variety, so I included the glazed chocolate ding dong. So I have 2 of those and then 2 of the vanilla Twinkies. And so here's the one that my daughter selected right here, this hot pink. That is definitely her personality. And I have Spooky on there and a cute little broom there. But that's this one. So I love how these turned out, and I know her little girlfriends are gonna enjoy these. So that is my share today. I hope I have inspired you to pull out that die and whip up some real fun, quick and easy projects before tomorrow. Make sure you check out Markeisha, and until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye.